All is well, my dear students. How are you all? This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher, and today we are going to start new topic of chapter number first, that is computer memory. So dear students, you know that there are four basic components of computer: input device, CPU, output device and memory. In the previous video, you have studied about input device, output device. Now in this video, I will explain you what is computer memory. So let's start. So dear students, first I will explain you what is computer memory. A memory is an important component of computer. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and information. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer. Memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanent. Computer can store a large amount of data safely in their memory for future use. When you give input to the computer, it gives into the computer memory. There are two types of computer memory. First, primary memory, and second, secondary memory. In this video, we will discuss about primary memory. So let's see what is primary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory. It stored programs and data which are required by the CPU. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. It has a limited capacity. The primary memory is very important as the data stored in it can be directly accessed by the CPU. Primary memory is generally made up of semiconductor device. It is faster than secondary memory. Primary memory is fixed on the motherboard inside the CPU cabinet. A computer cannot run without primary memory. Primary memory is also divided into two categories. First, RAM, random access memory, and second, ROM, read-only memory. RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is also called read and write memory. Information can be written onto and read from RAM. It is a volatile memory that temporarily stores the files you are working on. The information stored in it retained as long as the power supply is on. When the power supply is switched off, the stored information in the RAM is lost. ROM is also the type of primary memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. It also called BIOS chip. ROM is the computer memory on which data has been pre-recorded. Once data has been written onto a ROM chip, it cannot be modified and can only be read. It means read-only memory contains permanently stored data that a processor can read but cannot modify. RAM is volatile memory, but ROM is non-volatile in nature. Its data remain as it is even when the power is switched off. So dear students, I hope you understood what is computer memory, what is primary memory and types of primary memory. In the next video, I will describe you what is secondary memory. Thank you.